So a lot of times a customer will contact us because they need to outsource labor. They need to outsource experience, that type of thing. I've had a couple applications where we've gone in and actually used a solution, a product, a simple green, that type of thing, and wiped down equipment, wiped down ducting, wiped down ceiling supports, that type of thing, where they maybe don't have the labor available to take that into account or to do that process.
Yeah, they usually ask us to do it just because of the availability. We also offer confined space, which might be an issue for customers that I hear a lot about, is they are not supporting that, or the head office is not supporting confined space, so they sub that out to us.
As well as that, I've seen a lot of companies now that will not allow their people to go on lifts or go on ladders, that type of thing, whereas we have that fall protection in place to be able to take care of that.
I think that's the biggest thing. They, like you said before, they do have the ability, probably they can handle it in-house, but it's these other things that are...
So the type of projects that we can do, we can, clean surfaces with as little as a shop vac, but we do employ our industrial vacs to be able to do that, where you're getting just a higher volume of vacuum to pull that product process out of the air, so to speak.
And it's also, dependent, since you brought that up, it's also dependent on what the environment is, right? Mm-hmm. We've utilized jet vacs, but we can also do dry ice blasting, depending on the environment and what you're trying to remove. Also, in that same instance that I'm thinking of, we can also use high pressure water up to 20K to remove different types of things.
Right, and with the water, then we can capture that waste that's produced from that cleaning, and again, transport that off site for disposal as well.